Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing biography of actress Suganya. Untold story about actress Suganya. Suganya is an Indian Bharatanatyam dancer, actress, music composer and voice actor. She has acted in Tamil films in addition to some Malayalam, Kannada and Telugu films. She started her acting career in 1991. She was one of the lead Tamil actresses from 1991 till 1998. She travels widely giving dance performances. She born on 25th November 1972 at Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. She has a sister. Her nationality is Indian and her hometown is Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. She completed her schooling at St. John International Residential School, Tamil Nadu and graduated from Anna University, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Her father's name is Ramesh Kannan and mother's name is Bharati. She joined Kalasheshra and has been dancing since 7 years old. She is a trained Bharatanatyam dancer. Suganya was not interested in cinema and only interested in dancing. She was approached by Gangai Amaran for Karagata and also for Vaigasi Purandachu. Even K. Balachandar approached her for Roja and Alagan, but she refused. Her father entered cinema before her. Her debut from Tamil is Pudunellu Pudunathu 1991 and debut from Malayalam is Aparatha 1992 and debut from Telugu is Pedarikam 1992 and debut from Kannada is Guru Brahma 1992. Her religion is Hinduism and she is a non-vegetarian. Her hobbies are shopping and traveling. Her favorite food is paneer onion dosa, puttu and kuttu. Her favorite actors are Sivaji Ganeshan, Raj Kiran and Nasir. Her favorite actresses are Sri Devi and Trisha Krishnan. Her favorite color is red and yellow. Her favorite destinations are Andaman and Nicobar Islands. She is the younger cousin of Tamil actress Jayshree. She has appeared in many South Indian movies like Chinna Gaundar, Tirumadi Palanichami, Thambi Pondati, Sendamil Pattu, Chinna Mappillai, Walter Vetrivel, Adityan, Thalattu, Chinna Jamin, Pandichole Chinnarasu, Mahanadi, Mr. Madras, Indian Senadipati, Aha, Sillinu Oru Kadal and many more. After her divorce, she started doing Tamil and Malayalam TV shows Anandam, Kadamathathu, Kathanar and Adi Parasakti. In addition to films, she has also served as a judge in Tamil show Super Kudumbam. She won Tamil Nadu State Film Award for Best Actress 1992 for Chinna Gaundar and Best Actress Special Award 14th Cinema Express Awards 1993 for Walter Vetrivel. Apart from acting and singing, she also gave a voice to actress Nandita Das in Tamil movie Kannathil Muthamittal. She has also composed two devotional albums, namely Alagu and Tirupati Tirukudai Tiruvila. She married Sridharan Rajagopalan in 2002 at Balaji Temple in New Jersey, US and got divorced in 2003. If you like my video, kindly like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos.